Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can fix your account status on Instagram. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Instagram, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. You're going to find the home section, search, reels, and also your profile section. So right now, go ahead and click on your profile section. And then once you're here in this page, go ahead and click on the icon in the top right corner. And then once you do that, you're going to be here in this page. So basically, guys, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Instagram account. So basically, guys, right now, scroll down until you find how others can interact with you. So right here, you're going to find messages and story replies, tags and mentions, comments, sharing, restricted, and so on. Click on the first option, which is messages and story replies. And then once you do that, right here, you're going to find how people can reach you, who can see you're online, and lastly, end-to-end encryption. So here under who can see you're online, you're going to find show activity status. Go ahead and click on show activity status. And then here you can either enable it or disable it. So if you want to show that you are online, leave it enabled. And if you want to appear always offline, go ahead and disable this option. Once you do that, just go back and then your changes will be saved. You can also choose to show read receipt or not show them. So once you finish, just go back and all of your changes should be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.